over my shoulder, eyes peeking in, analyze my every move. What current state I'm in? 'Cause you are colder than ice on my skin. Wanna get that A+, baby, so you take my shit. 'Cause I am little, right? I won't call you out. Teachers saying you get credit. Why would you stop now? You are so desperate, craving that spotlight. Shine it on the ones who do the shit, 'cause it's their life. But I know that people around you say, just do what it takes to make it all the way. You're a copycat. You take it and you leave it on you, just like that. Just like that. You fall in flat. You find someone like me to bring you up right back. Up right back. Obsessed with power, you want it for yourself. Feeding on misogyny, but still you call yourself a feminista. If that were really true, you wouldn't feel as if I were a current threat to you. But I know that people around you say, just do what it takes to make it all the way. You're a copycat. You take it and you leave it on you, just like that. Just like that. You fall in flat. You find someone like me to bring you up right back. Up right back. Find someone else to lead your lady. My blood's for me, not for your babies. College or stay in all your savings. My blood's for me, so no more taking. You're a